Are you a business owner and you would like to brand your business online, generate more leads, expand your network, and have an online system that attracts your ideal clients to you? I'm inviting you to join our fortnightly digital marketing group masterminding meeting, of where we business owners help each other to grow our online businesses. We give each other advices how to increase engagement, how to generate more leads, and how to systematically brand our business online. Besides of giving you the access to our fortnightly group meetings, I'm also going to provide you with a curriculum that is going to help you have your online business vision in one place. So you will be able to generate more leads directly that you can sell to. You will be able to produce the content on a regular basis. You will be able to increase your brand awareness and engagement, and build bigger and better network of your clientele, and so much more. You will fill in the worksheets that are going to clarify your online business vision, and you will also become part of our Facebook group of digital marketers who are also business owners. So you will have somebody to turn on, and we'll hold you accountable so you can expand your business online as well. Step in contact with me and activate our online business program right now.